Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for our single box 1516 Anthology. Um, so what I will do is we're gonna go ahead and show you the time. It is 11:16 on Tuesday, September 6th. We will head over to random. I already copy pasted the teams. Now it's 29 spots, and I said Minnesota and Columbus will be one. So this is gonna be random three times and matched up with your name. That's one. Two, three. Okay. So Wayne gets the Islanders. Steve gets LA. Mark gets Ducks. Alex gets Dallas. Wayne gets Tampa. Mark gets Rangers. Steve gets Calgary. Mark gets Ottawa. Steve gets Boston. Kevin gets Washington. Sam gets Chicago. Jeff gets Colorado. Steve gets Detroit. Mark gets Philadelphia. Joanne gets Vancouver. Sam gets Montreal. Jeff gets San Jose, Minnesota, Columbus, and Carolina. Mark will get Florida. Steve will get Edmonton. Merrick gets St. Louis. Sam gets Nashville. Merrick gets Pittsburgh and Jets. Jason gets the Devils. Joanne gets Arizona. Mark gets Toronto. And Eric gets Buffalo. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste this list. Whoop, and I will post it in the thread right there. All right. Give you a quick recap of this right here. And wait, as you can see there, there's two boxes. Um, so what we're gonna do is I have this here, random, one, two. It's gonna be random three times. Top box is one. So one, two, and we will random it three times to see which box. Two, two, and three. So box number one. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so here's a single box. Anthology. Good luck, everyone.
decoy. First card is a Matt Pumpo. He's gonna go to Ottawa. Matt Pumpo. He's going to Ottawa. Next card, a Brian Elliott. It's number to 299. It's going to St. Louis. I have a Malcolm Subban autograph. Number to 299 for Boston. Got a nice patch for Edmonton. A Jordan Eberle. Number to 49. 49 of 49. This is Eric Lindros. So going to Philly. $38 of 49. It's Philadelphia. Just gonna be sure with that. Yep, Philadelphia. And this is a Mike Bossy and a John Tavares. So this is both going to the Islanders. Number to 199. Last card of the break. A Tessa Bonham. Tessa Bonham. I have no idea who this is going to. So this card is not an NHL team. It is from an Olympic team. There's a women's Olympic team. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna random this card amongst all 30, amongst all 29 people. Okay, there are 29 names. It's gonna be random 3 times. Person on top will take that card. It's 1, Joanna, 2, Mark on top, and 3, Mark. Congratulations, Mark. Get that card. There it is, 3 times.
Thank you very much, guys. Just want to show you one more time quickly. Time in Montreal, 11:25, 11:26. All right, thank you very much, guys. I got one more box. I was thinking of doing um, I don't know, maybe razz off the whole box. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much for your support, guys. You guys have a great night. Thank you.